I am researching the use of marine robotics to track migration patterns of fish. This is with the hope of assisting sustainable development and mitigating any impact on marine wildlife. The purpose of KESS 2 is to link researchers with an industrial collaborator, and in my case I am lucky enough to have two.
Projects like this tend to throw up new challenges and make us aware of other questions we need to answer and other technological solutions that we can use in the space. And that's certainly been the case with this KESS 2 project.
H R Wallingford have got a long history of working with and collaborating with universities. So to be able to collaborate with universities and use all of that input and that knowledge within the universities and from the professors and the lecturers and so on, to push things forward is really it's of great interest to us.
Our research is guided by the needs of the industry partner, and it really allows our research to be directly relevant to an industry challenge.
I think as an early career researcher, it's extremely beneficial. It has given me insight to the commercialisation process and the industry state of the art. It allows me to network with possible future career prospects and future collaborations.
I think KESS 2 projects are very, very good because the students are getting, if you like, the best of both worlds. And I think it can be a very strong addition to their CVs going forward for potential jobs. Who knows, maybe even getting jobs with the companies that they've been working with. It gives them a good route into industry.
It allows students to continue working in academia, working in research, gaining experience, and then beyond that they'll go out into the wide world and either work in industry or continue working in academia.